Yep. Amtrak's coming. I see the Amtrak. Here it comes. Wow. You're not supposed to do that, mister. Nice southbound Amtrak takes vehicle 21, 20 plus horse carrier. Get my license, we'll see what happens. Bye bye.